What is up, everybody? Oh my god. What is up, boys? Got another, oh my god. What is up, boys and girls? Got another couple parts for my car. So we're gonna be installing those today. Should I just show you what I got? You guys know what I got. You looked at the video. Let me just show you. So, as you guys know, my back end of the car is looking a little, rough. It needs some work. I mean, I still got the stock bumper on it and everything, and nothing's been changed that much, and just doesn't look as good. So, we are changing that now. Oh boy. Oh, look what I got. So I got a duckbill for the rear. It's gonna sit nice and pretty right on the back, nice and tall, and tell me, does that not look fabulous? Oh. Alright, so that's what we're gonna be doing today. My car is super dirty, and to install this, it's gotta be pretty clean. So we're gonna take it to the car wash, wipe it down real quick. It needed a bath anyways. The only thing that sucks is it's like 30 degrees right now, so I'm definitely going to freeze my ass off when I'm washing this thing. But it's all worth it, because your boy's gotta install his wing. So we're gonna do that right now. But first, the best part of my mornings is this part. Alright, so we're gonna go take this thing for the car wash. I'm gonna take y'all with me since you haven't been in my car yet. So I got a whole camera set up, rocking in there right now. Let's just go to the car wash, boys. Alrighty, boys, we're going. It is freaking cold. This is like the coldest day we've had, I guess, since winter started. And it came out of nowhere too. Oh man. Anyways, so I got a mic set up in the engine bay. Hopefully you guys can hear some of those good turbo whistles, because they sound super good, and I want you guys to hear them. Right now, if you guys know about the N54, if you have one, I don't have a blow-off valve or a new charge pipe. Everything's stock, everything's standard. I checked my charge pipe for cracks, and I don't have any, so I was like, I don't really need to replace it. The only reason I would replace it is if I wanted to get a blow-off valve. And there's a little trick with the N54, in case y'all didn't know. Basically, you take off, instead of a blow-off valve, you have a diverter valve, and it just reroutes that blow-off air back into the engine. And you don't hear any cool whooshes. So I was like, man, screw that. So I unplugged the two diverter valves, and basically all you do is you get the bottom end of a, what are they called? I'll try to put a link in the description for you guys, but they're basically two little rubber ends for like a metal chair, like a metal fold-out chair. The little bumpers on the bottom of it sound so ghetto. But yeah, you just plug one side with those, and then on the other side, you just leave it open and you reroute those hoses. And after you do that, you basically have your own little makeshift blow-off valve, and it works for me. I get good noises and sounds cool, and it was like $2 to do, other than like $600 just for a blow-off valve. So you gotta make do with what you got, you know what I mean? Oh man, these tires are still cold. It is slipping everywhere. Hopefully you guys can hear the blow off, because it sounds so good. I mean, I can hear it in the cabin, but I want to make sure and put an extra mic up there for you. So let me give you guys just a basic rundown of, I guess, this car. So I bought it a year ago. I think it was like the 2nd, February 2nd is when I bought it. So I've had it for exactly a year. Right after I bought it, I tuned it and I chopped the exhaust off like everybody does. That was like 2 weeks after I had it or something. And then it's just been a slow progress of what it's become today. I love it. It's fast. It looks good. Well, I don't know if this is a cop. It's not. So good. Oh man. Just so you guys know, I'm not even hitting 3 grand on the tach. It hits full boost. Stock twins hit full boost to like under 3 grand, which is freaking crazy. So you don't have any problems with like not getting enough range out of your power if you go, you know, like big single turbo cars, how they have all the power up top. Nothing like this. This is not making anywhere near the same amount of horsepower that everybody else is making, but still, it's cool. Right now, I think I'm making around 360, 365, 370, somewhere around there. Oops. Somewhere around there, which is, when I first got this car and I realized on the stock bottom end, on the stock motor, well, you know, stock motor, you can make like 800, 900 horsepower. And so that was like my goal, I guess. I was like, oh yeah, I want to do that. I want to crank out as much horsepower as I can. And now after driving this thing for a year and a tune on it, and running E85, I mean, it's making like 360, somewhere around there. Maybe creeping up on 400, I don't know. I haven't gotten a dyno. I'm just going off of stuff I see on the internet and then talking to people that I know. But yeah, I'm making that much power, and it's still so much fun to drive. I've had this thing for, say I've had it for like 8 months with that much power I'm making. It's ridiculous. It's still super fast, and every time I punch it, it's like a rocket ship. And it's just ridiculous. I love it. But still, even with that being said, I want to make some more horsepower gains. Oh look, a 370. What's up, buddy? Ooh, that thing was nice. Had a duckbill front splitter, nice and low, good wheels. That thing is pretty. I do want to start making more power. I don't want to go crazy though, so my goal right now is I'm gonna get a new, so I already have an exhaust intake and then the tune. I'm using the MHD app, and then after that I want to get test pipes, which is next, and then after test pipes I want to get a 7-inch intercooler, and then once I bolt both of those things on, maybe upgrade my fuel system a little bit. I can be running complete E85. Right now I'm just doing a mix of E30, but yeah, so I can run complete E85 and I will be over 500 horsepower, and that's not too bad. For an extra $1,000 I could bump my car up like 150 horsepower or something crazy like that. So that's my goal. That's what I'm gonna end up doing. I feel after 500 and you still want to be making more horsepower, you definitely have to ditch the twin turbos. They can't hold that much power. Right now I have I got turbo wastegate rattle, which is not good, and it definitely sucks. But I'm just gonna run these turbos until they blow up. So I want to do a couple more pulls, but there's this guy in front of me. He's going super slow. All right. Third gear is by far my favorite gear too, because it just goes. Let's just roll into third. I'm sitting at about $3,000 right now. Oh my god, man! Dude! Oh my god! This thing is so ridiculous, man. I drive this thing every day, and I swear, it still blows my mind. And I'm not even making that much horsepower. I mean, I am, compared to most cars. But geez, dude, this thing freaking scoots. Oh, alright, we're just about to pull up to the old car wash station. So I'm just gonna clean this thing up real quick, and then we're gonna dip back and finally install that, what is it called? Duckbill. If you want to call it a duckbill, a little rear wing, a little spoiler, I don't know. But yeah, let's wash my car right now. Well, that sucks. I thought I recorded me washing my car, but I guess it didn't. I didn't get any footage, but it's okay, because we made it. We washed my car, and now we're gonna go install the wing. Slipped. Yeah, so I kind of just cleaned the rear bumper. That's about it. The rear bumper looks good, that's for sure. The rest of the car is still freaking dirty. Oh my god, dude. That's what I'm talking about. That's what makes me smile. Smiles per gallon, baby. Smiles per gallon. Alright. Ooh, we made it. We did it. It is time to finally install the wing, which is what I'm so excited about. I know you guys are excited about it too, don't lie. Alright. So we got this bad boy. I'm gonna get some 3M tape, and we're gonna slap this baby on and see how she looks. Alrighty, so I got some masking tape. I'm gonna put this thing down, see where it needs to land, and then cover all the exterior bits with like masking tape so I can see exactly where it needs to go. That way, once I put the 3M tape on the bottom of it, I know exactly how to slap it back down and make sure it fits perfectly. So let's do that right now. Alright, so since it's so cold, I want to make sure this 3M adhesive really sticks on here and sticks onto that so it doesn't fly off and I lose a bunch of money on the road. So I got the heat gun out. I already heated up the back side of the wing, and now I'm just gonna heat up the top of this, make it nice and warm and sticky. So that should be good. For the moment of truth, what? Yeah, I'm freezing. Oh, she's on there. Hit it with the heat gun one more time. Make sure everything's nice and hot. That's it. Oh, an install video that didn't take 4 months. How freaking great is that? Oh my God, dude, it looks freaking good, man. It looks good. Oh my God. Oh, that really made the back end look so much better. Oh man, here. Oh boy. Yeah, dude. That looks so much better. Holy crap. That looks so much better. Now I don't have no saggy booty. Now I got a tight booty. Booty's nice and firm over here. Oh man, yeah, that looks good. Ooh. Ooh, can you see it? Can you see it? Alright, boys. That's gonna end the video. So subscribe. Yeah, that's gonna do it. Catch you guys in the next video.